Hi, I'm Mark Emily on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this next segment, we're going to talk about how we carefully get into starting our boil. While we're waiting, we're going to start preparing 1/2 gallon of water to do our rinse at about 170 degrees. Now that a half an hour has passed, we're going to take out our grains and we're going to rinse them gently with some hot water that we prepared. This will help get out a little extra of the sugars and the flavors that we've been aiming for. Now as it's dripping dry, it may be tempting to give it a heavy squeeze, but you can give it a very, very light squeeze to encourage the major bulk out. Otherwise, let it go, as you don't want to extract too much tannins, which will contribute to harsh astringency. Now that we've extracted the colors and flavors from the specialty grains, we're going to turn up the heat and start getting ready for our boil.